Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add a new shipping address on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then navigate to the section My eBay that is located at the bottom side of the screen. Here scroll down to the section Account, and here Settings is exactly what we need. And so if you haven't added any shipping addresses yet, you should go to Selling section, and here Ships from Addresses, and here you can set up your shipping address. But if you want to add new shipping address, so you have one and you want to add a new one shipping address, here at the top in the account section you will see here your current shipping address, and to add a new one you need to tap on your current shipping address, and here you see add address, so tap on it, and here fill in all the information about your another shipping address. It includes your full name, your street, city, postal code, and your phone number. And then when you are done, to save your shipping address, press this done button and it will be saved. And also, if you want to make this new address primary, you can move this slider to the right and this shipping address will be primary. But if not, just don't do it. So that's how you can add a new shipping address on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.